All right, guys, welcome back. So let's have a look at Rivian stock, RIVN. So RIVN. So this is the, I think the best day for the stock in a while, because 24% gain in a single day for a stock that is, well, every dollar move, it's a $1 billion move for the stock. So from 13 billion market capitalization to 16 billion in one single day. I mean, that is a large move. All thanks to the report that came out in the morning, the deliveries. So Rivian stock surges to start the year on a better than expected EV deliveries. So looks like market was expecting that they would have 51,000 year over year and 13,400 EVs for the Q4, but they delivered in Q4 14,200 EVs during that quarter, and yearly sales volume roughly 51,580 electric trucks. So yeah, the stock had 40% decline year over year last year, 2024. Is this the year the stock could turn around? We shall see. I was pretty bearish of this stock back in, actually pretty bullish right here when we had a pretty good rally from $8 to 18, and then its stock pretty much declined another 50% from there. And then when it consolidated right here and sold off after earnings, I think what was the headline, that they were losing pretty much $40,000 or maybe even 100 and some. I don't remember the number, but they were losing a lot of money per truck sold, and they still do lose money. But I was thinking that it could definitely hit maybe $5 billion somewhere around here, but it hit as low as $9.50. We didn't go that far. I was really watching that level, actually $8 as a all-time lows, potentially to basically stock go lower, but never happened. So, but at the same time, this was my downtrend trend line that I was watching for the last 2 years. If you take a look at this price movement in 2023, 2024, 2023 high $28, and then downtrend again, hits 24, and then first half of the year, even Tesla was having very hard time, if you guys remember, and Tesla was down like 40%. So EVs were pretty they got knocked down pretty hard first 3 months of the year, and then recovers back to test this level. This is when I had this trend line drawn right there. And then the last time we tested this level right here around December, it did reject it. But today, new year 2025, we are breaking out of this downtrend. So is this stock officially out of downtrend? Well, we shall see. From here, I would be watching this breakout area of this trend line as a possible area of support if it tries to, say, pull back or chop around. But if it tries to go a little bit more, well, today's volume was very large, and I contributed to mostly to shorts, okay? Short covering, surprise, news, and $18 would be my next level of resistance right here, which is from the summer, from July high for the stock. If it does get back above that level, well, we have two more resistance levels to watch, 24 and 28. But again, just like I said, this stock has probably 1 billion something outstanding shares. That's why every dollar move is going to be $1 billion move. So that's why you should understand, and you should not compare the stock price to any other stock that is out there trading at $16 and think that this is going to fly out of the gate and just go crazy. No. All the time, keep an eye on market capitalization, outstanding shares. So, option market. Yes, it was pretty crazy as well. 544,000 contracts came in today, traded calls, and 46% of that pretty much ask A lot of them probably dailies. A lot of people flipped dailies, and puts. A lot of people sold puts. 256,000 puts traded. And I was looking at the orders that came in, and I was looking at this one particularly that stood out. February 21st, $16 put. And it did look like that it's somebody who could have sold this many contracts, which was 10,000, thinking that by February 21st that this stock will stay above $16 probably. And even if it does decline, they don't mind to buy shares at $16. And in the meantime, they're happy to collect $1.87. But again, if I'm wrong, I mean, you can definitely take a look at your own tools, because I only use Thinkorswim, and there are times I use bar chart where I keep an eye on the unusual flows where I saw them too being executed at the put. So this is where it is, unusual contracts that came in for the day. And what is Rivian? $16 put. You can see the volume, IV, all that good stuff. Okay. So, but in terms of to the upside, I did not see much of crazy bets to the upside. Most of them were dailies and very short dated, such as January today, like 16, 16 and a half, 15.50, 15, 16, 14 and a half, 14. Next week calls, but I'm not seeing too much of longer dated calls. I'm seeing June 35 call, but I don't know if it's a sell or buy. But again, this would be very, very large move for the stock. Like you're seeing some crazy moves right here, crazy trades such as 25, 35, but they're very insignificant. I'm not seeing one strike being attacked by the option traders who could be bullish for the stock. Yeah, short squeeze, that it did go pump, but it can definitely just sit back and relax, just like it has done many times. But of course, if it's gonna get a little bit more squeeze, considering this stock hasn't traded above this $15.50 level since July, anybody who was short at these levels probably will get squeezed a little bit more now. So if it has a little bit more gas in the tank, then yeah, this is my resistance, $18 level for the stock. Because today's volume was very, very crazy move, very unusual volume, and implied volatility on that went up pretty crazy. So if you're trading options, you have to keep in mind that you would be paying premium if you consider to, let's say, jump in after this much of a move, 25% move in a single day. So I'm watching this name to the upside from here, but we'll see what happens with these resistance levels. But these are the resistance levels I'm watching for the stock. That's the update for Rivian. It's been a while. Let's see what happens in 2025. Thanks for watching. If you're new, don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.